All right, what's up, YouTube? We are in the process of a huge winter storm. So we got to go out and we got to get a few things. It's crazy with the toilet paper and with the water, with all type of crazy stuff. So we're gonna do a quick vlog. We're gonna go out here in the streets of St. Louis, and we're gonna see how crazy folks are gonna be acting, how long these lines are, what we can get, what we can't get in preparation of this huge winter storm. Not a basketball video. Some days, hey, coach got to take a break. Life is lifing, and right now, let's see what we can find. And come on, go on this journey. D'Angelo up here, and Miles Davis. I'm still looking for that Brian Pillman though. Oh, if I got a couple Mr. Perfects. I don't know if I have a Bobby Heenan. So we came to our local Target to make sure to see how these shelves look, but what's up with you? I'm trying to make sure you get all your this stuff up for this craziness happening. No, we cool. We inside. So it wasn't that bad though. What you think? We out here in it. We in it. We are in it. All right, let's see what's up in here. All right. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Get you some of that slap your mama. Oh, yeah. Ooh, well, it wasn't that bad.
It was already frozen over the window.
Yeah, so at the end of the day, it wasn't that bad. We made it back in safe. I got my crazy little mutts doing their thing, and yeah, made it in safe. Hope you guys make it in safe. Let me know how it is where you guys are. Hopefully everybody's in somewhere warm. But let me know in the comments where and how you guys are doing. How long you gonna keep your leg up, boy? Come on. Good job, boy. Come on.